Hey everyone, welcome back to Programming Line channel. Today, we're walking you through how to register your e-commerce business in India the right way. If you're planning to sell online, whether on Amazon, Flipkart, or your own website, you need to set up your business legally. Let's break it down into simple steps. Step 1. Choose your business structure. You can register as a sole proprietor, partnership firm, LLP, or private limited company. For most beginners, a sole proprietorship is quick and affordable. But if you're planning to scale or raise funding, go with a private limited setup. Step 2. Register under MSME. MSME registration isn't mandatory, but it gives you major benefits, like easier loans, government subsidies, and protection from delayed payments. To register, go to udyamregistration.gov.in. Enter your Aadhaar, PAN, and business details. It's 100% online and completely free. Step 3. Apply for GST registration. GST is mandatory if you're selling on platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, or even your own website. Here's what you'll need: your PAN and Aadhaar business address proof bank details, and a passport-size photo. Visit gst.gov.in, fill out the online form, upload your documents, and you'll get your GST number in about a week. Step 4. Open a business bank account. Don't mix your personal and business funds. A business bank account helps with accounting, taxes, and payment gateway setup. You'll need your business PAN, GST certificate, MSME or business registration proof, and ID documents. Step 5. Register on selling platforms. Now that you're legal and ready, you can sign up on Amazon Seller Central, Flipkart Seller Hub, Meesho, or build your own store with Shopify or WooCommerce. They'll ask for your GST number and bank details. Let's recap. To register your e-commerce business in India, you need to choose your business type, get your MSME registration, apply for GST, open a business bank account, register on selling platforms. Doing this right gives you legal protection, better trust with customers, and access to financial tools and services. Want a full checklist or registration templates? Check the details in the description box. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, and hit the bell for more practical e-commerce advice.